And okay, guys, this is I finally found the Dragon Pixel Punks. I heard this is 2026's chase piece. I'm not quite sure. Which I have a feeling because I saw it once and I didn't see it till after maybe a month later. So I think this is a chase series because they have not said nothing. They say this one's chase to Rec Deck. No, it's not. Rec Deck is a common truck. There's a back, of course. All I need is Zombie and a Toro Loco, and I'm done with the set. Because, like I said, I don't care about these because I already have them in other versions. What I want them again for. So, yeah. 2 more trucks to go, and I'm done with the set. And on to the next one. Further ado, Pixel Punks unboxing. Ooh, okay. Here it is. I love the red tires, and it has like neon yellow rims and beadlocks on in real life, but in the camera it looks like a greenish. Orange roll cage, like a light green chassis. Dragon's eye with the pixel design. The nose is pixels. The spine. The horns. The other side, Monster Jam logo, dragon. So I don't know, guys, if this is a chase piece. I think this is this year's chase. I'm not sure. Like, subscribe, comment, share, more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed, everybody.